Hello, this is Mark Moore, and I am back for the Week 8 project check video. So this week I've been working on our unit testing. We're just about finished with the website. Everything is implemented, and what's left are just a few detailed things that my teammates are finishing up on. So this week I have been running the testing on the website to make sure that everything works as it should. There are no bugs that we've missed. So, and really the only thing that I've found that could be considered a problem or a bug is in our password, or basically any kind of data entry that the user can put in, or the admin for that, right? There is no limit to the size of the entry. So you could put in a password, for example, of 4,000 characters, and it would the program accepts that, even though the space in the database is only 256. So that'll be something we need to implement over the next week or so. It'd be something pretty simple. But let me illustrate it really quick. To find the parameters that I'd be testing for, I went over to the client requirements here and just basically listed these and then tested each of these individually out. They're all here. So let's just go here, and so it's me testing it. So let's register. I'll just register myself again, and I'll put a password. Oh, actually, no, I need to register for myself. So create a new account. Register myself. Tester 20. Then for the password, I can put in anything. This is what I would say. This has 260 characters here, so I can just take this and copy that and put it in as my password. Favorite food, pizza, mom's maiden name, Wilburn. Choose a file. Then I create an account. Now, even with the password, as you see, so long, I have successfully registered. Please log in to continue. Now, when I try to log in, if I put that password in, it allows me to log in. But if I put in something short, say I put that in and then I click there, go to the end and just erase it, or put in, hold on, here to the end. There we go. Just put in a password of this size and try to sign in. It doesn't allow me to. So it actually seems to take the first 60, I figured out, it takes the first 68 or so characters, and so you have to put at least 68 of those 240,000 characters you put in as your password to make it work. So that's the biggest error I've found so far. Basically, we just need to put in a limit on how big the words or passwords you can make. And there's one other thing: you couldn't alter the email. It's not, you can't select it, so that we'll fix that. So other than that, that's pretty much it. That's what I've been doing for this week. Thanks. Bye bye.